Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be updating you on Chase, Reserve, and Preferred cards. So let's go. Before we get to it, make sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I did not get the email from Chase about the enhancements to their card reward. So I had to go searching for it, and I found the page that actually states it. And there was a lot of reports from the TPG, but I never got the emails. So if I didn't read TPG, I would never known. So Chase, you need to fix that. And then, yeah, so this is the website. I will have the link in the description below, so you can also check it out. So let's go through the benefits. So here's the Sapphire Reserve, which is what I have. They have a pay yourself back, so you get 50% more when you redeem for credits against grocery store purchases, dining, takeout, and delivery services, and home improvement such as Home Depot and Lowe's. And you just gotta choose an eligible purchase within the last 90 days and apply points to that purchase, and it will show up as a credit. The next thing is they have 5 times points from May 1st to June 30th, and that's for grocery stores and eligible delivery services. And then here for the reserve, since there's a annual travel credit of $300, you can use that. And I have confirmed this. I will show you in a minute that they did use the travel credit against my grocery store purchases. There's some recipes and live streams if you're interested in that kind of thing. So this preferred, it's pretty similar, except for the pay yourself back, you only get 25% more. And then you only get 3x points. You don't have the credit, so it's not valid here. And the JP Morgan Reserve is the same as the reserve, just cost more. So there's that. And then here's more terms and conditions if you're interested in reading that. With that out of the way, I'll sign in, and you can see that I've gotten the travel credit for grocery purchases. So first sign in. Then I go to my credit card, reserve. As you see, I bought $300 in gift cards. That's another trick that you can use. Let's say you buy Shell gift cards, $300 in Shell gift cards, or Amazon gift cards. Right now you get 5x in points. And then if you buy at a grocery store that partners with a gas station, you also get the points for that. So for this, I'll get 600 points for shopping at Kroger's for $300. And that would save me 60 cents per gallon at Shell. And then as you see, even though I bought them as gift cards, grocery stores tend to have the merchant code as a grocery store always. So then it will count towards the travel credit, $300 per year for the reserve. If you go in here for more details, you can see you actually do get the bonus. So that is it. Hopefully you got some value from this video, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, join the Discord, and I will see you next time.